This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Hello and thanks for joining us. Today we have Scott Murphy, Area Sales Manager of the Coastal Carolinas with James Hardie Building Products. Welcome, Scott.
Thanks for having me.
Now, we know that James Hardie is an industry leader in siding, but what is pushing the product's popularity here in the Carolinas?
Well, I think it's three main driving factors, being the low maintenance of the product, the durability of the product, as well as the design flexibility. Whether you're doing alternating lap siding exposures, a board and batten detail, or shingle detail, we have all those products to encompass basically any homeowner.
Well, I'm sure our viewers want to know, how does the product hold up here in the South as opposed to other materials?
Well, that's a great question. Our product is made of fiber cement, so it's 90% cement. So it gives you that engineered for climate durability. So we actually manufacture the product here in the coastal market differently than we would in, say, a Boston, where they have a lot of freeze thaw. So the engineered for climate technology holds up to high wind, high UV, driving rain, and excessive sunlight.
Okay, in addition to being attractive and durable, what are some other qualities?
Well, the reality is that we are in the path of hurricanes, unfortunately, here along the coast. So one of the major benefits of our product is we're the only one in the industry that stands up to a 200-mile-an-hour wind gust, which you would get with a Category 4 or 5 hurricane. So we're the only product that stands up to that on the coast.
Okay, give us an example of that.
Well, a good example of that would have been Hurricane Sandy, which was a terrible thing that happened in the Northeast. And so in Freeport, New York, there was a harbor master's quarters building that was clad in fiber cement, all James Hardie products. Unfortunately, the buildings around it were swept away and the siding blown off. As you can see in the picture that you show here at the station, the Hardie stood up to the winds as well as to the storm surge.
Wow, that's impressive, because that was a very destructive storm.
Yes, ma'am.
Thanks. Find out more about these products by checking out the mobile-friendly site, jameshardie.com.
For more details, go to HomePros on WECT.com.